Now we're going to get started on our cakes in a jar. I have vanilla cake. I colored one batter red and one batter blue, 2 mason jars, a circle cutter that fits inside of your jars, whipped cream icing, and some cute sprinkles to top it off. Next, take your knife and cut each of the circles in half. Now we're going to start filling our jars. Start with one color, push it all the way down to the bottom. Add some icing. You can even add fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries, sprinkles, filling. Then you're going to take the other color. And the reason I chose whipped cream icing is because it's very light and kind of more of a summery flavor as opposed to a buttercream. Top it off with some more frosting. Add a few sprinkles. I have some silver star sprinkles. There you have it. For the American flag cake pops, I have baked a vanilla cake. This is a 6-inch round. You need a bowl, knife, sprinkles, vanilla buttercream. I have candy melts in white, red, and blue, and cake pop sticks. The first thing you're going to do is carve off all of the outer layer of the cake, this sort of brown part. The reason I cut it off is so that when I mix together my cake pops, the cake pop will be a nice light, sort of off-white color and not a more brown shade. Break it up in your bowl. Add just a little bit of vanilla buttercream. And begin to mix it up. Until our cake becomes like this. Now we're going to add some sprinkles. I like to add my sprinkles after I've already kneaded the cake together. Some people add it when they are in the batter, when they're baking the cake. However, this will cause the sprinkles to bleed, and once you start to knead it, it'll kind of form a weird purpley color. So I like to add the sprinkles after the cake is already baked and just knead them into my cake pops. Now we can start forming our cake pops. With the white candy melts, take a cake pop stick, dip it in just a little bit, and put into the center of the cake pop. Let these sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the chocolate harden. Now we can start adding the stripes. So now we're going to do the stars. Take your cake pop and you're only going to dip half of the top in the blue. Tap out the excess chocolate. add the star sprinkles. If you don't have star sprinkles, you can always just use little white pearls.